Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. The rail pressure sensor is located here, and the boost sensor is located here. Remove the rubber injector cover. This should easily lift off. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. Remove the rail connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Then connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. We can now access the boost sensor. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Then connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Then secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided.